In this video I'm going to be reviewing and fitting the Jass Performance side indicators. Grab a coffee, sit back and enjoy.
Hello and welcome to another product review. It's MX5 Jass here again. Thank you to everyone that's subscribed. If you do like it, carry on subscribing, liking and all that sort of stuff. Okay, so let's open the box. Not going to tell you what it is. However, fast service. Ordered it on Monday afternoon, I think, after about 2 o'clock. Not that that matters, or I suppose it does to the company because they've got to package it and get it sent off. So 2 o'clock Monday, just got in now from work and it's behind the door, was delivered. What day is it now? It's now Thursday, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and it was here behind the door. Like I said, this morning at 11:20. Right, okay, so well packaged, loads of little bits of gubbins, and let's see what it is. I'm quite excited about these. So we're going to fit them hopefully very soon. But first of all, I'm going to put the scissors. There we are. So, Jass Performance side indicators in black. Now they look really good on the website, I must say. So let's have a look. Again, they are very carefully wrapped. I'm trying really carefully to make sure I don't snip the blinking wires. Okay, so that's close as well. There's one there. Okay, so let's have a look at these lighters. Quite reasonably priced, to be honest with you. Not a huge outlay. I think they're a straight plug and play. We'll have a look at that in a bit. Okay, I know it's a bit of a faff, but I do like it when you struggle to get in, because it means that they've been packed carefully. Oh yes, liking these. They're LEDs, side indicators. Oh yeah, very smart. Hopefully it's just gonna plug in. I'll take the old ones off. So there we go. Nice black plastic. The side indicator is LED. I don't think it's sequential, I think it's partial one, but we'll have a look, we'll have a play. And how do you connect them to the car? Can't get easier than this. Even a mechanic monkey like me will be able to do this, he says, fingers crossed, because it looks like they just stick over the original hole. Okay, so let's go and have a look at how they fit. So, tools you'll need. First of all, to take this off, you're going to need something from that direction there, from the door forward sort of thing. You're just going to gently tilt that forward a little bit, then you need to get something behind there. Now I've got part of a panel removal kit. It's quite useful, only a few quid. But if you haven't got that, that's fine as well. I suppose a real good idea would be to use a credit card type debit card thing, will slide behind that as well. Okay, I've got a pair of grips ready as well, just in case the connector's a little bit tough, because it's probably not been swapped for a few years. So something to grip the blocker with. Then a couple of rags, which I'll explain in a bit. Right, okay, so the first thing to do is to just gently prise that forward. It's just on a little clip. So there's no screws or anything. Press that forward and it just pops out like that. When it's out, all you do is just gently whiz it forward. A little bit of persuasion. And then out it comes, and that shows the blocker. So this is where you might need the grips. If it's a little bit tight, just use those and just give it a nip up. And first of all, just going to press that down, and hopefully it's going to go. Yeah, there we go. So that's it. That's all. Dead easy. Put that to one side. Keep hold of that, because you don't want it to fall behind. And now all I'm going to do is just get rid of that debris out there. nice and clean. Then
so just fast forwarding the video now, so you're not listening to me ramble on the boring bits. If that was exciting, I'm not sure. But anyway, all what's left to do now is to take the 3M tape off, realign it, and just make sure that I'm happy that it's nice and straight.
And you've just seen me fit this one live. I don't know how long it took, a couple of minutes or whatever. Well, probably more than a couple of minutes, but as you can see, it's not hard to do. And I think that is actually very, very good. Very, very good. Okay, nice one. If you like that, subscribe, like, share, all that sort of stuff. And thank you very much for your time watching this.
I'm going to give Jass Performance 10 out of 10 for this. Fantastic, fast service, brilliant piece of kit, and really easy to fit.